Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Do not forget to subscribe. So here we are making Amane, our own authentic smoked herrings. And so if you're not in Ghana, it's not easy to find this. And so I decided that why not make it yourself. So to get started, you would need your fresh herrings properly washed, one stock cube, salt to taste, and also liquid smoke. This is the one that will give you the smoky flavor you get with the traditional smoked herrings you find in Ghana. I will leave the link to this in the description box so you can get one for yourself. This will give it that smoky flavor, outdoor smoky flavor. So yes, I would recommend that you get one for yourself. So here I am rubbing my stock cube and salt to the fish, to the herrings, and making sure that each and every one is well coated with the spices. Here I did not give measurement because you might be using less or more of the herrings, and so yeah, use the spices to your taste and making sure that each and every one of them is well coated with the spices. So Amane has it's used in a lot of dishes like palm nut soup, granite soup, light soup, whatever. You can use Amane in that dish. TZ, if you are cooking TZ, you can pound some of the herrings and use it for your ayoyo soup. And so this right here has endless possibilities. So I would recommend that you give it a try and you would love it. So here I'm adding some of the liquid smoke to it. I did not measure that as well. I would suggest that you use it to your taste, especially if you haven't used it before. Yeah, you can use a little bit, and next time when you are making it again, depending on how the flavor was, you would want to add more or less. But yeah, just add a little bit to it and also rub everything in it just to make sure that each of the herrings is well coated with the liquid smoke. Yeah, don't leave anyone out so that you can get that flavor with it. And yeah, like I said, I would leave the link in the description box so that you can grab one for yourself. So once everything is well coated with my spices, I will then coat my baking tray with a little bit of oil. This way, the fish will not get stuck on it, because if you don't coat it, it will get stuck, and turning it will be a bit difficult for you. So make sure that your tray is well coated with a little bit of oil, and then get it all ready. So at this point, what I'm doing is I'm laying I'm laying the fish on the tray, the baking tray, and getting it ready into the oven. My tray was a bit small. I would recommend that you use a big one. Don't be like me, so that each of the fish can have space. So at this point, I'm setting my oven to 350, and yeah, getting it ready for the first 30 minutes. I will toss it in for the first 30 minutes, and I will keep checking on it. So there goes the herrings into the oven for the first 30 minutes. And after the 30 minutes, this is how it's looking. It's looking all cooked and it looks good. At this point, I would want to turn it over so that the other side can also get a little bit of the heat. At this point, I would suggest that you keep an eye on it. Once you put it back in, keep checking, keep turning them around. You would want your amani to be well dehydrated and hard, and so keep checking on it, turning them around depending on the strength of your oven. Yeah, you would want to keep an eye so that it doesn't burn. And if you have a food dehydrator, I would suggest that once it is cooked through, you can toss them in your food dehydrator so that it will dehydrate it and make it hard. After about 3 hours, this is how my amane is looking. It looks good. I like the way it's looking. It looks crunchy, all dried up. Like I said, the food dehydrator would cut the time for you. And so if you have it, I'll recommend that you use it. So it's looking all good, crunchy, hard. I would just toss them in my Ziploc bag and toss them in my freezer so that whenever I want to use it, I have it on hand. I hope you give this recipe a try. Do not forget to leave me comments, share the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless.